One of the best VPN application out there today. I'm going to be reviewing it and pretty much showing you how to use this application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full tutorial and stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. As you can see here, very simple layout. So we have the server section here, which is at the top, as you can see, your fastest server. But before that, we'll be going in the premium option. So this is where you get your subscription, where you go to purchase your subscription. On Android devices, you can pretty much enable the free trial feature, which gives you 3 days free trial, then you start paying the weekly fee. But as you can see here, the price is for the subscription, a weekly subscription, and you have a yearly subscription. No monthly subscription, however. Let me just fix this off here. In the settings section, you don't have nothing much. If you have any problem at all related to the premium subscription, you purchase it and you're not seeing it, or anything at all related to the VPN, you can pretty much contact your support team. Do make sure you log in. Down here you may see VPN protocols, but everything here pretty much explains what we're getting for each protocols. So either use WireGuard or OpenVPN, whichever one we choose to use, you can use it. But that's pretty much it. Let it stay at default. And you also have the filtering or the app tunnel filtering feature, which enables you to select whichever application you want to get the VPN connection and which you don't. So as you can see here, just read that and you're pretty much good to go. Enable the feature. Go ahead and add application that you do not want to get the VPN connection or want to get the VPN connection. As you can see there, enable or allow apps to get a VPN connection. And at the top here, you may see a moon icon. You can pretty much tap on it to pretty much put it in dark mode. So those are just the basics. So for the server section now, you have in the server section, let's tap on that there. Here you have all the services that are available. As you can see here, quite a lot of servers, almost good amount of country. So you have the USA server, you can scroll down and see down here, United Kingdom, and so forth. Over here now you have the streaming server. These are for like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and those streaming websites. So you can either use the best USA server, streaming server, or the United Kingdom. All the 3 servers are available. Do keep in mind you will need a subscription or a premium subscription to use this server. But that's really pretty much it. Very simple. Nothing hard for you to not understand. Down here you have the movie option. But this pretty much you will need the subscription to get access to pretty much the premium servers for that. But very straightforward. So let's say you finish set up all of those stuff and you want to get connected. All you gotta do is pretty much search for the server that you need. Let's say you're in the United States and you tap on this one here. Let's go back. So you tap on this and pretty much we need a subscription to these guys. Got to mention, you're gonna need a subscription to connect this VPN. So if you don't have a subscription, you ain't connected. But as you can see, you get a 3 days free trial, which I can also go ahead and try the application, servers and so forth, and see if the VPN is for you. But you're not gonna regret getting the subscription. It's very fast, very good VPN, and for bypassing the restrictions and so forth. But as I said before, very good VPN. If you have any problem or you have any questions that you want to ask, please comment below. Gladly love to help you guys. And with all this, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.